waited a long time for this.
Oh, Mama, I have got to get me one of these. You should know that this is the strangest thing I've ever done.
How about 2 out of 3?
You should see your faces because you look ridiculous. Jump! I can't see anything. Hey, there's no point. It's pitch black down there.
This is all my fault. She was right. I never should have done this. I'm so sorry, Flynn.
Eugene.
What?
My real name is Eugene Fitzherbert. Someone might as well know.
I have magic hair that glows when I sing.
What?
I have magic hair that glows when I sing! Flower gleaming gold, let your power shine.